Have you ever felt like no one truly understands you, not even yourself? You try to stay strong, but deep down, you feel empty. You smile, yet your heart is breaking. And you wonder, how can I heal when I don't even understand my own pain? Zen Master Min Nim once said, "No one can truly heal us except ourselves. Not because others don't love us, but because only when we return inward, face and gently embrace our wounds, can true healing begin." In today's podcast, let's listen to the heartfelt wisdom of Zen Master Min Nim on the journey of self-healing, and especially the 6 gentle yet powerful steps to help you return to yourself and find a little more peace with each passing day. Why must we heal ourselves? We're often very good at hiding emotions, good at smiling even when our heart is shattered, good at saying, "I'm fine," when everything is crumbling inside. But hiding doesn't mean the wound disappears. Healing is not about erasing pain. It's about being present with it, mindfully. It's gently saying, "Oh, I'm hurting, and I need care." When we stop running, stop judging, pain no longer becomes the enemy. It becomes a friend, calling us back home. If you're listening and feel a bit emotional, pause for a few seconds and listen inward. That is the beginning of healing. In the 6 steps to self-healing with Zen Master Min Nim, each step is a doorway, opening into deeper understanding and self-compassion. Step 1. Recognition. Pause and ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Where in my body feels tight or tense? Simply naming the emotion, "I feel anxious," "I feel afraid," is already the first light of mindfulness. Step 2. Acceptance. Don't rush to fix. Don't push it away. Just stay with the emotion. Like a true friend. Tell yourself, this feeling has the right to be here. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to feel tired. Step 3. Breathing with the emotion. Place your hand on your chest or belly. Inhale. Feel the tightness. Exhale. Let go. Soften. With each breath, you are gently holding your pain, as if wrapping yourself in a loving embrace. Step 4. Understanding. Once calm, listen deeper. Why am I reacting this way? Is this connected to an old wound? Understanding helps you see the root and no longer feel angry or afraid of yourself. Step 5. Letting go. Letting go doesn't mean forcing it away. It happens naturally, when there's enough insight, enough compassion. Like when you understand a scared child, you no longer scold. You just hold them close. Step 6. Nourishing after healing comes the time to renew. Take a walk in nature, listen to calming music, cook a meal just for yourself, or simply sit in silence and smile. Let each small action be nourishment for your soul. And no one can walk for you, but you are not alone. Here's a truth that may bring tears. No one can heal in your place. No one can walk your spiritual path for you. But from that truth, a door opens. You can walk it yourself, step by step. The Buddha once asked, "If you do not take care of yourself, who will?" Love is always there. In a friend who listens, a hand that holds yours without asking why, or a silent presence by your side. A young man burdened by suffering walked into the forest and asked a monk, "No one understands me. How do I get through this alone?" The monk pointed to a stone in the stream. "Do you see? That rock has stood there for years, through wind and rain. Yet every day the stream gently embraces it. It is not alone. It is held by life. When you are in pain, remember, you are not alone. Someone has sat in silence like you, and they made it through. So can you." A coming home to yourself. One day, someone asked the Buddha, "Where can I find peace? There's so much chaos out there." The Buddha simply smiled. "If the wind doesn't blow within you, even the forest won't sway. We've wandered too far from ourselves, busy chasing what we must do, must achieve, must become, and forgotten something simple. We haven't sat with ourselves for a very long time." A weary traveler searched for a sacred spring to heal. After a long journey, he rested beneath a tree, placed his hand over his heart, and realized his heart had been beating steadily all these years. The spring he had searched for was always flowing within. Remember, coming home doesn't mean being pain-free or being strong. It simply means stop, be still, listen, and breathe. The Buddha said, "Be an island unto yourself. Be a light unto yourself. Attadapa viharatha atta sarana." Dear one, the healing journey isn't a path lined with roses. It's the days you sit alone in the dark and learn to light your own lamp. No one is coming to save you, because you are already on the way home. Healing isn't about removing suffering. It's about holding it as part of life. Just like the rain doesn't chase away the dark, but it helps trees come alive again. Pain, when understood, becomes fertile soil, where compassion and wisdom can grow. And now, if you're willing, sit still for 1 minute. Just breathe. Do nothing else. And trust that, with each breath, each passing day, you are truly healing. If this podcast touched you, share it with someone who needs a quiet space. Hit subscribe to keep walking this mindful journey, and leave a comment. I'm ready to return to myself, because you deserve peace, and this world needs more people who live deeply and authentically, like you. See you again on the next healing path. Wishing you a peaceful day.